Don't we all love a good cleaning hack? Especially when it involves ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen. That's right, we are talking about baking soda and vinegar as cleaning agents. Both of them are best known for their incredible role in home cleaning hacks. Baking soda is a step further, as it is also an antibacterial, absorbent, and non-toxic to humans. In today's video, we'll be discussing baking soda and vinegar hacks. Can you use them in the washing machine at the same time? Can they help unclog drains? We'll be discussing all of these and more. Hey viewers! I'm Dr. Sophia Fahl and welcome to Lovers of Good Health channel. Before we begin, kindly use some of the time to subscribe to this lovely channel and leave us a like on this video to support the channel. Thanks for doing that. Now let's begin. Get fresh smelling clothes with every wash cycle. Do you hate it when your freshly washed clothes appear all dull and still smell not so great? Don't worry, you have baking soda and vinegar to your rescue. You can use both these brilliant cleaning agents together in the washing machine. All you have to do is sprinkle baking soda over clothes before they go in. Then add a little vinegar to the rinse cycle. You don't need to use a fabric conditioner with this combination. Baking soda will brighten up your clothes, while vinegar removes nasty odor and softens the fabric. You can use about 120 milliliters of vinegar in the washing machine. Isn't this an easy way to get clean and fresh clothes every wash cycle? Clear clogged drains with baking soda and vinegar. Fed up with clogged drains? I understand your frustration. No matter how hard we try to keep the drain clear, they do get clogged with dirt, food, and other nasties all the time. This makes your sink smelly and affects drainage too. Your sink might drain too slowly or not at all. One of the most effective, natural ways to deal with this problem is to use baking soda and vinegar together. Wondering how? It's simple. Pour the baking soda in first and then add some vinegar. The two will react together to break down dirt, grime, and grease. This helps with smells and blockages. Say goodbye to mildewy shower curtains and shower heads. Shower heads may see a lot of water flow, but that does not mean they are always clean. Even shower heads need to be cleaned on a regular basis. Before you remove the shower head, make a mixture of white vinegar and baking soda. You'll need to add half a cup of baking soda to a bowl of white vinegar. Place the shower head in the mixture for an hour. Some shower heads cannot be removed. If that's the case, you should add the baking soda and white vinegar mixture to a plastic bag. Use a rubber band to wrap the bag around the shower head. A clean shower curtain is equally important. To do this, you'll need to add half a cup of baking soda to your detergent. Add the shower curtain to the washer and set it to hot. Just before the rinse cycle is about to start, add half a cup of white vinegar. This procedure will make sure your shower curtain comes out squeaky clean. Get sparkling clean faucets with baking soda and vinegar. We all hate dirty faucets riddled with hard deposits. No matter how frequently you clean them, bathroom faucets can become grimy and stained within just a couple of days of cleaning. Hair, toothpaste, and soap can quickly leave your faucet in need of a serious cleaning. It helps when you know the right technique and have the right tools. Baking soda and vinegar are great at making the faucets in your bathroom shine and sparkle. To do this, you need to make a paste using baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda with the same amount of water and white vinegar each. You can also choose to go with lemon juice instead of white vinegar. Use the paste to cover all the chrome areas of your sink. Let the paste remain on the areas for at least 15 minutes. After that, scrub the areas and buff them to get the sparkle. Baking soda and white vinegar work well on ceramic sinks as well. Follow the same procedure you use to clean the faucets. Clean the oven and dishwasher easily. When you use the oven regularly, you'll find that there is nasty buildup. This crud can make the oven look unclean. But baking soda and vinegar can help remove the crud. Take a spray bottle and add 1 part of vinegar and 1 part water. Spray the mixture into your oven. Once that is done, you'll need to sprinkle baking soda. Keep the baking soda in the oven for at least 15 minutes. You can scrub it down using a sponge. You can do the same for your microwave as well, by putting baking soda on a damp sponge and scrubbing it down. A dishwasher is another appliance that can be cleaned using baking soda. All you have to do is sprinkle a bit of baking soda at the bottom of your dishwasher before you start the next cycle. It would make your dishes come out sparkling clean. Don't have vinegar? No need to worry. Baking soda can work great as a cleaning agent on its own too. You can use it to get rid of smells, dirt, and dust. Let's discuss some of the most popular baking soda cleaning hacks. Cleaning your toilet bowl is made easy with baking soda. Regularly cleaning your toilet is necessary to keep your bathroom hygienic. But you would also need the proper tools so that you can clear all the grime. If you hate the idea of using strong toilet cleaning solvents, try baking soda. It would add the sparkle back to your toilet bowl. You'll need to add 1 part of baking soda with the same amount of hydrogen peroxide. Use a toilet brush to rub the mixture around the bowl. Make sure you also get it under the rims, but always use the brush. Leave the solution for at least 15 minutes. Then you can scrub and rinse the sparkling bowl. Get sparkling clean stove tops and countertops. Stove tops see a lot of action. There is usually some spillage every time you cook, no matter how careful you are. Wiping it away with a cloth or water may not always be the best solution. Instead, you can use a mixture of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Apply the solution to the entire stovetop surface. Leave it on for at least 15 minutes before scrubbing the entire surface using a sponge. Countertops also have the same issue when it comes to food spillage. But you may be reluctant to use baking soda on countertops for fear of spoiling the surface. You need not worry, as baking soda is very minimally abrasive. Similar to stovetops, you should apply the solution on the countertops for around 10 minutes. After that, you can wipe it away using a sponge. If any of your kitchen items are made with rubber or plastic, you can still use baking soda. All you have to do is soak them in a mixture of baking soda and water for a few hours. It even works on kitchenware made of wood. Finding it difficult to clean pots and pans? Try baking soda. When your roasting pan has seen some action, it can have grime that's hard to get rid of. You might end up buying new cookware, but that's not totally necessary. Instead, you can use baking soda to clean them. To do this, you need to wet your roasting pans. Then sprinkle them with baking soda. You should then leave the cookware for about an hour. Afterwards, wipe away all the grime with ease. Non-stick pans can also be difficult to clean. Make a mixture of a cup of water with half a cup of bleach, as well as 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then boil the mixture. Use this to wash your pans. Once you're done, take some cooking oil on a paper towel. Rub it on the surface of your pans. Baking soda is also a great way to clean dishes made of enamel, which can easily get scratched. Make a paste using baking soda and water. Apply the paste to the enamel cookware and keep it on for an hour before scrubbing off. Grease stains can be especially hard to clean. You should make a mixture of half a cup of vinegar, a quarter cup of baking soda, plus a cup of ammonia in a gallon of water. Use gloves while you're using the mixture to clean the grease stains. Baking soda makes for a wonderful air freshener. You can use the help of baking soda to make your own air freshener. This way you can avoid spending money every month. To make your air freshener, you need a cup of water to which you have to add a tablespoon of baking soda. Add a few drops of essential oil of your choice to the mixture and put it in a spray bottle. Your air freshener is now ready. You can use baking soda to keep your drawers fresh too. To do this, add some baking soda to some cloth bags or even old socks. Put these in the corner of your drawers so that you can get rid of any weird smells. You can even use baking soda to get rid of shoe smell. All you have to do is add a bit of baking soda to the shoes and it'll remove all the odor-causing bacteria. Have you ever used baking soda and vinegar to clean tough stains? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for your time, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more contents like this one. Bye for now.